If you could draw a trend line, you can make money. And I'm going to show you exactly how I do this. And you can learn all of this inside my free trading community. This is just part of my current strategy. As you can see, there's a lot more to it, but you can literally just use this by itself. So let me kind of just show you. We're going to make this 1 minute flag. So you turn the clock into a flag, 1 minute. These are 1 minute classic candles. Price comes up here and it goes down. Price comes down here and it goes back up. So let's get rid of that and grab 2 trend lines. Normally I only use 1, but I'm going to draw it like this. I would like to see price actually come up to that point so I can sell, but I don't think it's going to, and there's only 7 seconds left. All right, we have 55 seconds left, and obviously this is definitely going in our favor. Okay, so let me show you why I did that. All right, so drawing from the first red candle down, we're going to take this trend line and we're going to go down across the tops, and you're going to see that if we use this candle, let me get a vertical line so you can see which candle I'm referring to. If we use the wick, top wick of this candle, and continue to draw down, you'll see that price is not going to go above where that touches. So that is why I used that. But we're going to have a better example, but you can see that 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom, we got it. Let's go to the next one that we're using candle 2 to reject off of. So the next one should be candle 3. So that would have been a definite good trade. So now we have a new candle and we're going to go down 1. Now we should have actually used the wick of candle 3. And if we had, we would have sold right here at the top. So I did make a mistake here. It's looking okay, but if I lose this, that's okay because I just realized my mistake. So this is how important it is to recognize exactly, and take your time, exactly which candles you're using to mark up your charts. So candle 3 would have been correct. We did get both of them though. And if price comes down to the money line, we will buy. Okay, and we got those. So if you want to learn how to do this, it's actually really simple. If you want to access the cheat sheets, they are all here. Each of these packs is here to download, and this also includes access to the one with the money line. So this is literally just one of the packs. This is actually pack 2. If you want to access these, they're 100% free. And if you want to learn the strategy or join my course, you can most definitely do that as well. And make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.